Buenas noches, señoras y caballeros. Bienvenidos a Tardy Productions. Esta noche vamos a cocinar rellenas de papas con un air fryer. Pues, si tú no tienes un air fryer, ¿qué tú haces aquí? Dale, vente para comprar un air fryer. It will change your life, I promise. Anyways, estamos aquí en mi casa y mi cocina. Vámonos. Here's a list of things that you are gonna need for this. Oh, I almost forgot. Bam! Additionally, I will be cooking my beef con Coca-Cola. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it'll be my first time. You don't have to, but I'm just tossing this in there. Okay, well, that should be everything. So let's get to it. Pardon my old potatoes. They're sprouting. Make sure you peel your potatoes. Okay, well, my taters are now peeled. Discard peels. Now we season the meat. Onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, sazon. This will stain your fingers. Sofrito. Now. Okay, so the beef is seasoned and mixed. We are going to cook it. Okay, so here it is, and there it will stay until we're ready with the potatoes. So let's pop in some taters, shall we? You know what? I'm gonna use tongs. So I don't really know how long I'm supposed to boil potatoes for. It takes 20 minutes. Let it be mashed! Mashed! Okay. If you don't know how to make mashed potatoes, the name is pretty self-explanatory. You should go learn how to do that first. So now what we're gonna do is make our potato balls. Our mashed potatoes and our ground beef. Then we're gonna coat them in these here crispy bread crumbs. I did the plain flavor just because the only other options were like Italian herb, fish seasoning. I don't want any of that. So let's go with plain and then we'll see how good I am at seasoning. Probably not very good. So I don't know how, but during editing I realized that I did not record the actual forming of the potato balls. It's not okay. So I'm gonna show you so I can illustrate it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your beef, you're gonna put it in the mashed potatoes. It's gonna look something like this, with the beef inside the mashed potatoes. Then you're gonna take this whole thing, you're gonna put it down here in your air fryer. And now I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are with the air fryer. I don't know what kind you have, but I have an Ambiano. It's pretty cool. I got it for 60 bucks at Aldi's. It was on sale. Thanks, Mom. All right, so we're gonna open up our dish. Gonna grab our potato balls and we're gonna plop them in here nice and like so. So then pop these bad boys in. This thing is gonna come on. Let me wash my hand real quick. Okay, like I said, this thing is gonna come on. Bloop. We're gonna set the temperature to some, I don't know how high this thing goes. Okay, it goes to 400. We will set the time to, oh, I don't know. Look at them after like 6 minutes. All right, here we go. Whoa, look at that. But I put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees for probably a total of about 20 minutes. 25 if you want them more crispy. But yeah, I think they turned out great. Let's take a bite, shall we? Oh, oh, it's so hot, but so delicious.